Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be installing the Verus side splitters for an ND Miata. And this video will also be a walk around showing what the full front splitter, rear diffuser, and side splitters look like installed, and an impression video. As you can see, there will be at least 4 to 5 10mm bolts holding the side splitter on, or the side Aero on, I mean. I'm hoping it has a double-sided sticky tape so it stays in place, because I believe I will be changing to longer screws with the new side splitters. I believe with the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser, it really improves the handling of the car at high speeds when it's super windy out. I believe it helps hold it to the ground a little more stable. And I also believe, and it's not scientific or anything, because I did not do miles a gallon with or without, but I believe it's getting better fuel economy, maybe about 2 miles a gallon, but not 100% for sure on that. But I do believe that the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser are worth it. Now, they are a little pricey, but it's one of those you pay for what you get type things. But if you want your car to look more aggressive and handle better, this is the option. The dilemma I have is I'm not sure if I want to do the underpans, which would complete the Verus Engineering kit, or if the Goodwin Racing stiffening suspension, I think it's like $600 full underpan. I don't know which I would get the most from, so I'm just not quite sure. If you can give me a comment below if you have these on your car and would know which one I would get the most from. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.